In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the copyright text on your Shopify store's footer. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your online store and make it stand out from the default settings provided by Shopify. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to ensure your store reflects your branding perfectly. First, you'll need to access your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the section where you can manage your store's themes. Now, in the middle of your screen, you'll notice a Customize button. But just beside that button, to its right, are three little dots. Click on these dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this list of options, go ahead and click Edit Code. This action opens up the area where all the inner workings of your store's theme are visible and editable. Next, you'll see a search bar on your screen. In this search bar, you're going to type footer.liquid. Once typed, you'll be directed to the footer.liquid file. Click on this file to view its contents. When the file is open, it's time to search within it for the section where the copyright text is located. To do this efficiently, place your cursor in an empty space within the code and press the Ctrl+F keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open a little search box where you can type copyright. After typing copyright, Shopify will highlight the area of interest in the code. This is where you can insert your customized text. But before making any changes, let's pause for a moment and switch to a preview of your store. Scroll down to the footer, and you'll likely see something like Sai 2025 My Store powered by Shopify. All right, now that we have identified what currently exists, let's return to the code. Keep a close eye on my screen so you can pinpoint the exact line where the edit is needed. In this section, you're free to add any text you want. For demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and add Hello World into our copyright line. With your addition made, it's essential to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll spot a Save button. Click on it. After saving, it's time to see the result. Click the Preview Store button to head back to your site. Once there, scroll down to the footer, and you should notice that your customized text, Hello World, is right where you inserted it. And that's it. You're all set. Your store's footer now carries your unique touch.